Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Asad and this is Asad Yaqub. So you guys have been asking us that whether the cue cards in 22 will be changed or will they be the same. So let's ask IELTS trainer Asad Yaqub whether they'll change or not. So sir.
Alright, listen Adin. Why are we expecting a lot in 2022? Students are asking me questions, what are the changes in IELTS in 2022? What are the changes in cue card in 2022? Let me tell you, even today in IELTS they use a cue card which they used 20 years ago.
Wow.
Right? So,
Yeah.
even they have those cue cards. In speaking part 1,
Yeah.
even today they have the topics which they had 25 years ago. About hometown,
Okay.
about this
That
and about
explains.
that. Now, let me tell you, mainly 90% cue cards are going to be same. 90% they're going to be same cue cards. You already have them, right? Only 10%. Now 10% means they're going to introduce a couple of or maybe 5 to 10 new cue cards, and then it's going to be fine. Now actually, Adeep, the thing is this: people who cannot speak English, they are worried about cue cards. Because they want to cram their answers.
Well,
they want to prepare their answers, right? And those who are good at English, now I can make a cue card now. I can make a cue card now.
It's simple and easy.
All
Just
right, guys,
grab a topic.
I give you a new cue card 2022. Describe a plan which you will accomplish in 2022. New cue card. Now then you speak on it. Describe a plan you will accomplish in 2022.
Do I have a minute to prepare my answer?
No, you don't. Just say a few things about it. Okay?
So first of all, I'm really excited for this new year that's coming up. For many reasons. First of all is that 2021 and 2020, as we all know, both of these years haven't been too good for all of us globally. So I expect it to be way better than these past 2 years. And one reason that's exciting me a lot is that I will be able to finish my book, which I've been writing since like 5 months, and I have had like a few writer's blocks too. But now I'm glad that I'm on the last chapter.
All right, this is fantastic.
yeah.
You really spoke well. Shmaila, why don't you join us?
Yeah, I
Drag
don't
a
need to
chair.
join.
Okay.
Father and daughter.
Father and daughter, exactly. Okay, we are making new cue cards for 2022. Okay, thank you. All right, Adin. Now let's go on. This time you're going to talk about something which you have planned to buy in 2022. Nama cue card aa gaya. Come on, hurry up.
I've been planning to buy a new phone. It has been a year almost since I bought this phone. It's old, right? And I am growing up too, so I need a better phone with better features too. So I plan to buy iPhone 11. Of course, not with my own money, but my father's. But since it's going to be a purchase that I'll make, so it's something I'll be buying in 2022.
All right. Video बनानी है फरमाइशा नहीं करनी है हाँ
You promised
वीडियो दा
me.
मौका चुक के ते
No,
प्यो
you
नु फरमाइशा
promised
करी
me.
जाओ आहो
You promised me,
Yeah,
okay?
I promised.
Yeah, I remember.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, guys,
Yeah.
this is how the new cue cards are made,
Yeah.
right? And they can make any cue card, anything. You should focus your English language. If
Exactly.
you can speak English, don't worry about new cue cards. Don't worry about 2022 and the new cue cards. You can easily manage and you can speak on anything.
Exactly. If your language is good, then a speaking part is just like a regular conversation with the examiner.
All right. So all the best. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on-campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that.
Definitely.
Asad Yaqub
And Adin Asad Yaqub, we wish you all the best with your IELTS, whether it has to be happen in 2022 or whenever. And we hope that in a few months you reach your destination wherever you plan it to be. So good luck and Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.